Hi, I'm Najat Mohad, a partner pre-sales engineer at Planview Tasktop Hub. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to be demonstrating how IBM Engineering Integration Hub integrates IBM Engineering Workflow Management with Microsoft Azure DevOps to improve the speed, velocity, and quality of your deliveries. Tasktop automates the flow of work across tools and between IT practitioners to eliminate duplicate data entry, human error, and administrative overhead. IBM Engineering Workflow Management provides a scalable solution to optimize communication and collaboration among teams and stakeholders to maximize productivity and quality. It enables you to capture, trace, analyze, and manage changes to work items while maintaining compliance with regulations and standards. With IBM Engineering Workflow Management, you can improve the management of project scope and cost through your organization and supply chain. In this demo, we will see how IBM Engineering Integration Hub reliably and seamlessly performs bidirectional synchronization between IBM Engineering Workflow Management and other tools, eliminating friction and delay and normalizing the data as it flows through a model. We will see how IBM Engineering Integration Hub automates artifact creation in IBM Engineering Workflow Management based on activities in other tools like Jira, Jama, or Azure DevOps. We will also see how IBM Engineering Integration Hub automates traceability by inserting back references and links to twin artifacts in other tools. And lastly, we will see the intuitive interface where all integrations are set up and administered. So, in the demo I am about to show you, we are going to look at an integration for a company building a new application. When a user creates an epic in IBM Engineering Workflow Management, IBM Engineering Integration Hub will flow the epic over to Azure DevOps under a specified project. Once the team in Azure DevOps breaks that epic down into stories, IBM Engineering Integration Hub will take those stories and synchronize them back to the correct team and project in IBM Engineering Workflow Management under the originating epic. As IBM Engineering Integration Hub synchronizes these items back and forth between tools, you will see updates such as progress, priority, and assignee flow between IBM Engineering Workflow Management and Azure DevOps. So let's get started. We'll begin by entering into our IBM Engineering Workflow Management tool and creating a new epic. Inside this new epic, we'll provide a name, we'll provide a value for the filed against field, we'll provide a value for priority field, and we'll type in a new description. As your teams begin to create new work items such as epics and stories in both IBM Engineering Workflow Management and Azure DevOps, IBM Engineering Hub is seamlessly working in the background to flow these artifacts and their field values back and forth. So now you'll see I've entered into my ADO environment where the newly created epic was pushed over from IBM EWM into ADO into the correct project. I've now changed the description and changed the priority, and I'll move back over into my IBM EWM workspace to view those changes. You can see now that the priority has changed to medium and that new text was added into the description there. I'll now hop back over into ADO and create a new child story. For this story, I'll provide a name. I'll also go in and provide a description and change the size of the story. As I'm creating this new story and editing the field values, IBM Engineering Integration Hub is checking both sides for any updates, and that includes creating the alternate IDs and alternate URLs from the other tool. So as I save and close and refresh this story, I will see the IBM Engineering Workflow Management ID and URL appear for easy traceability back to the newly created story that IBM Engineering Integration Hub created from ADO. Now jumping back into my IBM EWM environment, I will check for that new child story, and you can see that it was linked back to my original epic as intended. From here, we can again make changes to our field values such as size and description. We can also create a new comment to push back from our IBM EWM team over to our team that sits in Azure DevOps. Today's example may seem simple. It provides a glimpse into the value that IBM's EI Hub can provide your organization. EI Hub integrates with out-of-the-box and custom artifacts and fields in both IBM EWM and Azure DevOps. This allows your teams to build the integrations needed to accelerate your deliveries. In summary, business and IT professionals across these two tools collaborated with each other seamlessly, never having to leave their tool of choice, never having to copy and paste information, and never having to exchange over email. This integration was brought to life through IBM Engineering Integration Hub's clear and intuitive administration UI, one place from which to rule all your integrations. You can configure precisely what flows and how it flows with maximum reuse thanks to models. And you can easily monitor the activity of your integrations and view metrics on just how much manual effort you are saving your organization. If you like what you saw and would like to learn more, contact us for a demo or evaluation at www.tasktop.com/contact-us.